Have you ever wondered why some other videos look better than yours? And even though you have the same phone, your videos don't look as good as others? So I'm gonna show you why. This might be one of the reasons why. So you're gonna go to settings, and then you're gonna scroll down, and we're gonna look for camera. Once you're there, open it, and you're gonna see these two options right here, and this one says record video. So for some reason some phones have it on 720. Once you get your brand new phone, you open it, you try to record some video and it doesn't look as good, and for some reason sometimes it's on 720. So this is the resolution that you're gonna record your videos, but if you don't know, you're gonna be wondering why they don't look as good. So if you want to make them look good, you're just gonna have to select on 1080p HD at 60 frames per second. So if you have that, your video is gonna look way better. So that's the way you do it. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.